Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on comments on YouTube from phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search Share Creator Studio. And you need to download the Creator Studio, YT Creator Studio. So you need to enter YT Studio and you need to download that application in your smartphone. Once you download that, so you simply need to open that and then you need to select any of your video and click on the pencil icon on the top right, and then you need to click on tags, category, comments and more, and here you need to click on comments and then you need to click on allow all comments. Okay, and then you need to go back and click on save on the top right. So now you can see that. Let me show you. So let me show you that all comments are now enabled. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can turn on comments on YouTube from phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.